this is Mr. Tilson. In this video I'd like to show you how to build this project that is composed of two cabinets that is meant to fit under a sloping roof. One of the cabinets on the right hand side has just got a continuous slope to the top. The other one has got a broken slope. There's a flat part and then there is a slope part. Let's see how we do this in Polyboard. We can see all our dimensions here, so let's just go into Polyboard and start a new project. I'm going to click here and start a new model and just drag on a simple box into my project mode. In 3D, I'm going to open a 3D view of our model so that we can actually see the 3D view as it evolves when we're editing our model. I'm going to click twice on our model to start editing it. Let's start with the right hand side, this module here. And this module here is height of 1607 and a width of 950. So let's already give it its size, 1607 and a width of 950. Now let's just make the top sloped. If we have a look at the slope of the top, we can see that the top is sloped down by 95. So we've got a 45-degree angle on it, 95 here in this dimension here. So all I'm going to do is just select the top and the width slope here. This is the distance one of the sides going down. I'm going to put minus 95 so to show that it's not on the left hand side, because the plus is on the left hand side and this is on the right hand side. The minus putting the slope distance on the right hand side. So that's our main box done. Let's put in an upright in the middle here, a couple of shelves. Let's put one here and here. Let's put a couple of other shelves, mobile shelves. Just put two here. Okay, now this box is approximately finished. I won't put the doors on for the time being so we can see how the actual volume evolves when we're actually building the other one. Just click that and let's just save this as model number 1. And so here we have the first element of our project, which is this particular element here on the right hand side. Now let's build the second element on the left hand side. Now this element is 245 high and the same width, 950. So I'm just going to drag the same element onto it. Click twice on this second element, give it its height of 245, maintain its width 250, so we've got its height here now. Let's get rid of the shelf and this shelf, so because we don't want the same number of shelves in it, so just get rid of the shelf. We'll keep the inner upright. Now what we need is to make this top sloping with a flat section and a slope. So I'm going to go to modify top and choose multiple slope top. Polyboard then opens up this little editor where we can change the shape of the top. It draws a flat top and it gives the profile of the top, which is just a line for the time being. If I click on the first point and look at the XY coordinates, we can see that the first point is in fact the 0, 0 XY coordinate. And if I click on the last point, I can see that this point is X 950, which means horizontally 950 mil from this one, and Y0, so it means vertically in alignment with this one. That is the actual width of our cabinet. What we need here is an extra point, which is this point here, at 107 from the beginning. So to do that in the editor, I'm going to click twice on the line, and that creates a new point. This new point goes black, and we can see its coordinates, 172.2, and as it's on the line, its Y position is aligned to the line, the horizontal, and is 0, 0. The actual distance we wanted was 107. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put in here 107, and then to position this point at 107, I'm going to click on the tick here, the green tick. Now this point is moved to 107. Now I'm going to take this point here, because I'm going to click it and it's going to become blue, and I'm going to give its coordinates. Now this point has to move down, and it moves to move down 843. I'm going to put here Y, and as it's moving down, I'll put minus 843. When I click on the tick, it goes down 843. Now, this looks a bit better. Let's put a few shelves in here. 3 shelves. Let's put a couple of shelves there. And if I save this, and I create this time a new model, our project is updated, and we now have our shelving unit, which will fit under our roof. All I have to do now is add doors. If I click here, and I add a door, and I hinge this door to the vertical division, and I click several times here, I add another door here, and this time to the left side. Close and save in my model. Do the same for the other side here. Twice, add a door, hinge it to the division, and same thing here, add a door on the left side. Close my model. And now our project is very nearly finished. And all we have to do now is apply the right manufacturing details, and we're ready to go. So you can see that with Polyboard we've been able to set up this project from design to manufacturing in less than 5 minutes. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it's been interesting and useful. Hope to see you soon in another video. Goodbye.